So him have fish with him, so him catch yesterday. And the place windy. We are waiting for the wind to calm down here. It's too windy. So the area over there, Sigani Beach. We soon get him name. We soon get him name. Give me a name, you know. What's your name?
Mark.
Mark?
Mark. M-A-R-K, Mark.
Yes, so earlier you say you have a need. What is your need?
Food. The shelter. Shelter alright. But the food are the problem. The shelter not the problem. Food are the problem. Rice, flour, cornmeal, sugar, sachets like tin sachets, franks, sardine, mentioned sardine before,
Yeah.
corned beef, cornmeal, and it continue.
Alright, so Mark, I see where you have some fish over there. You catch fish. What are you going to do with the fish then?
Take my time with them. Like soup, fish tea, fry, file paper, and it continue.
So what kind of skills do you have?
Can drive.
You can drive?
Yeah. Matic, like, Matic and standard stick 5 speed. I have a general license. But recently I can't find the license.
You can't find it?
Can't find my driver's license. But I go both ways. Stick, 5 speed, and automatic, and go both ways.
How long now have you been here?
From January of this year.
So you were homeless before, or you lose your house, or what happened?
I live out of Dunkirk before, right, so.
So why you have to move to here?
Rent.
Rent is too expensive.
No, I can't afford the rent anymore.
You have to bear with me because it's nice here.
That's up, that's alright.
So what would you want immediately now? Like say suppose somebody to help you today. You have a phone?
No, I don't have no phone.
You don't have no phone?
No, I don't have no phone. But I have a banger, can't find it.
Can't find the banger? So you don't feel unsafe here?
No, I'm safe right now, so. Just food are my problem. As well, I say food. Like cream crackers, tough crackers, corned beef, cornmeal, flour, and gears.
You want some gear?
I want some gears.
Let's go up this and tell me what I want. So, what you have? You have pot?
I also want pot too.
You also want a pot?
R2.
R2?
R2.
No, but you need a house.
No, we don't want the house right now. I'm right there so far.
But the storm are coming. Oh, you never worried through the storm when the storm are come?
Since me there, so January this year, 2 storms. So if one upon the 3 now, it'll make 3. I'm still up.
So what give you that belief that you feel say you're alright? You believe in a God or so?
Faith.
Faith in a God?
Yeah, faith.
So you go to church? You have a church where you go?
Nope.
You ever used to go to church?
Nope.
You're willing to go in one church and change the life and are you alright?
When the time right.
When the time right.
When the time right.
Why Mark, we see a situation and how people can help you? Where them can find you? If somebody see this and want to help you.
Right so they can find me.
Sigani Beach this?
Yes, that's Sigani. Sirgani.
Sirgani.
Sirgani. S-I-R-G-A-N-E-Y. Sirgani.
Okay. We call it Sigani, so apologies.
No, Sirgani. Sirgani.
I hope say the audio good, but I'm going to share this with some of my people them, and we'll try to get some help for you today. But now I promise you what I'm going to try.
I look towards that.
You understand?
I appreciate that.
Even forget the food.
And some gears. And remember the pot.
And the pot.
2 pot. Just 2. Like a rice pot and a meat pot.
So where your bed there?
Inside.
Where's the bed? I don't see the bed.
And kind of cover it up. Through the weather.
Bed?
Yeah. Get a big sheet.
Yeah.
and some blanket, make one cover to the weather.
Alright, so how much fish that?
To a bucket,
Yeah.
could you tell you now?
So you catch them?
Yep.
So how you catch your fisherman too? So where boat there?
No, net.
Net?
Net.
Oh,
You know them,
what kind of fish them there?
you have grunt, parrot, mostly parrot. Yeah, mostly parrot. You can step up in the man and go look you know. Okay.
So you gonna eat them fish, yeah?
Yep. Take my time with them. As I say, I short food, we go with it. The fish alone can't work.
Bless up again, everyone. So I later found out that the fish that Mark claimed that he caught was fish that was washed up on the beach. Obviously, it's a desperate situation, and anyone who watched this video and able to assist can assist Mark. He doesn't have a phone, and he doesn't have a bank account. You can find him on the Cigar on the Beach in East Kingston. Bless.